will be explaining you all regarding the dam, the status of the dam, where we have reached and how we have reached. So our project is divided into three parts. One is the dam complex, the other one is the headrest tunnel, and other one is the powerhouse complex. Okay, sir. So at present we are standing here at the dam complex. That is called Dam Complex MC1, which has been done by L&T, Larsen and Toubro, company of one of the topmost company of India. Okay. And this headrest tunnel was been done by Gammon India, which has been completed since 2015 itself. Okay. And the MC3 package was the powerhouse complex package, which was done by Hindustan Construction Company, HCC. So powerhouse also has been completed in all respect. So at present we are stuck up with the dam. Yes. So the dam comprises of many components. Okay. We have got the desilting chambers, the intakes, the diversion tunnels. So this diversion tunnel is been constructed to divert the river water, and then when we divert the river water, then only we can construct the dam. So we have already diverted the river water by constructing a coffer dam, that is called the temporary dam. Okay. And we have constructed two numbers of diversion tunnel, and we have diverted the water into again to the river from that side. We have diverted it. Okay. So at present we are to construct this dam only. Rest of the components, that is the desilting chambers, the HRT, everything has been completed in all respect. Okay. So we are only stuck up with dam. There was some geological failure and shear zone. Shear zone means weak strata. Okay, very weak strata, due to which our this right side of the dam had come down. So we are doing the stabilization measure, and again we have restarted our construction phase. So at this is the intake structure. Where we are standing out here is the intake structures. Okay, so these intake structures and these other areas, the desilting chambers and all, everything has been completed in all this. Okay. And this is the HRT, headrest tunnel. This dia is 10 meter, and it is lined with concrete, and total length of this tunnel is 8.9 kilometers. From here till here, it is 8.9 kilometers, which is already completed. Okay. Then we will be going to powerhouse also. Over there you will be finding different components: the shell shaft, the PVC, the powerhouse. We have 6 units in the powerhouse. One unit is of 200 megawatts. So 200 into 6 means 1200 megawatts. Okay. And then that 6 units will be running during the peak season. Peak season means summer. Summers, yes, correct. So June, July, August, September, where there is heavy discharge in the river. So that time we will be running all the 6 turbines. Plus, we will be applying another 10% extra load. 10% extra load to enhance more 10% capacity of electricity during the peak seasons. But during the lean season, as per our design, we will be running only 2 equipments, 2 machines only. Rest 4 will be under maintenance. So we have to maintain our machines also, so that we can install, we can run all the 6 machines during the. This powerhouse complex also has been completed. Okay. Then we have got, after generation of the electricity, we have to take out the water. So water will be taken out through this stainless tunnel and to the river. Again, if you go 5 kilometers downstream, then Punatsangchhu-I will be seen. So at present, we have completed our Punatsangchhu-I, and generation is in progress. At present, 2 equipments are running, the rest 4 are under maintenance. Because this is the lean season where there is less discharge in the river. Okay. Now this is dam complex MC1. This is the desilting chambers. Desilting chambers, shape of the desilting chambers you will be finding in like this. Okay. Why we construct in this in this shape is that this tunnel is constructed in a funnel shape. Funnel shape means the water which is coming in the river, that is very dirty water, isn't it? Lots of silt particles are there, gravels are there, logs also will be coming during the rainy seasons. Okay. So what we have to do is that we have to filtrate this water. So that's why this acts as a filter. This tunnel acts as a filter. The water will go through this intake. From here it will go. From here it will go. You see now. From here it will go like this. Okay. From this intake. Over here there will be four gates. This there will be four gates, and from here all the logs, heavy logs and all, no, coming in the river.
Yes, yes.
Big boulders coming in the river, that will be stopped here. And then the water will enter through these gates, and then it will enter through these four desilting chambers. And in these desilting chambers we have to filtrate that water. It gets filtrated and the silt particles get accumulated out here. Okay. And then the fresh water, this fresh water will be taken through this headless tunnel to the powerhouse. Because if you don't filtrate this water, that will cause damages to our equipment, isn't it? So what we have to do, we have to filtrate that. 0.002 mm silt particles we allow only to enter into the powerhouse. The rest are filtrated. Then there is another tunnel called the silt flushing tunnel. When all the silt particles are collected, then there is a tunnel called silt flushing tunnels. Silt flushing tunnels, all these silt particles will enter here and we flush it out to the water and it comes to the river again. So these are lots of procedure which we have to follow to generate electricity. So after the water enters through the headless tunnel, it will go to the powerhouse. It will come here. It will come here. Then we will be having the water will get diverted to the pressure shaft. From the pressure shaft, it will go, enter to the main machines. Okay, and after that, after generation, again the water will be taken through the headless tunnel and to the river again. So this is the procedure. Then how we will take the electricity from Bhutan to India? So there is also procedure. We have got a substation, that is the switchyard. Okay, so the electricity which is generated in the powerhouse, we have to convert it into a high capacity electricity for which heavy equipped transformers are installed. So that transformers are manufactured in India and BHEL Bhopal. From Bhopal we have brought that transformers and we have installed in the powerhouse. So that also you will be seeing when you reach the powerhouse. Okay, sir. Then again we have to take the electricity. So for that we have constructed double circuit 400 kV transmission lines. Through the transmission lines the electricity is carried to the jigmilling substations in Galefu, and from Galefu we have to connect it to the eastern grid, that is power grid. Government of India will be taking that from Jigmilin and they will connect it to the eastern grid. We in India we have got four grids: northern grid, eastern grid, western grid and southern grid. So these Bhutan is in eastern side, so it will be connected to the eastern grids, and from there wherever it is required, electricity is required, because in India we have got 29 states, isn't it? So there is a requirements. Accordingly what we do is that we, Government of India, they allocate to different states like Bihar certain megawatts, maybe to Haryana certain megawatts, maybe to Jharkhand, maybe to Assam, maybe to Uttar Pradesh, isn't it? So the electricity are distributed there. Then how we check how much we have sent to India? We'll be having a joint meter which will be signed by both the governments representatives, and we have a joint meter in the substation area, and monthly basis whatever we have generated we have a record, and that will be shown in the meter. We go jointly take the reading, and accordingly we calculate that how much megawatts we have sent or how much units we have sent to the government, and accordingly there is a amount to be calculated at what rate we will be giving to Government of India, isn't it? So this project is of Government of India and Bhutan Friendship Project, isn't it? 60% is grant, 40% is loan. So loan we have to repay back to the Government of India. So the electricity which we are sending to India, that amount We'll calculate how much we have sent, and then we keep on deducting. So this is the procedure for this, isn't it? So any questions you all can ask, then I will brief you all in the field. Okay, sir? So now what we can do, we can see from here. But please don't lean down. Huh? This side only. Now you see that total. This piling works. Such type of piles will be provided there to stabilize that whole mass. But you see that excavators working there. No? There is a buffer dam, temporary dam, wasn't it? And we have diverted the water. So that if you don't divert the water, then it will not be possible to work out here. So water has been diverted and it is coming out. Doing that.